In this video, I'm going to describe how to apply a native menu to the system tray icon when you're running an Air application in Windows, or to the dock when you're running in Mac OS X. For this demonstration, I'll use an application named systemtrayanddock.mxml in the Chapter 07 Begin project. If you're following along with the exercises, open the application in FlexBuilder now. This is another version of the previous application that applies a native menu as a context menu. In the init method, an object named myMenu is created, data typed as FlexNativeMenu, and then the menu's setContextMenu method is called to associate the menu with a particular visual control. In this application, we're going to take that same menu and apply it instead to the system tray icon in Windows or to the dock icon on the Mac. To get started, this version of the application already implements a system tray icon. Notice at lines 11 and 12 of the application, there's an embed metadata tag and an associated variable named icon16. This results in embedding a 16 square pixel graphic in the application and associating it with the variable icon16. Then, in the beginning of the init method, there's a bit of code that checks to see whether the current application supports the system tray icon. Switching over to Mac OS X, if you're running the same application on Mac OS X, you'll be able to see that the application context menu appears when the user right-clicks or clicks and holds down their mouse button while the mouse is over the system dock icon representing the application. The code that executes this functionality is down toward the middle of the application, where it says if native application.supports dock icon, then dock icon menu equals myMenu. I'll run the application and we'll see the behavior. As the application opens up, the Mac operating system automatically displays an icon on the dock. When you run this application from within FlexBuilder, you're actually running the Air debug launcher in the background. And so the icon you see, and any legend such as the one I'm showing right now, will indicate ADL. When you run the same application after packaging and installing it using the Air installer, you'll see the application's icons instead. Either way, the user can move their mouse cursor over the icon in the dock, and then either right-click or hold down their mouse button for a few seconds until the context menu appears. Because I have a 2-button mouse, I'll right-click and I'll see the customized menu. And once again, there are my custom functions to take the label in the middle of the application and change it to uppercase or to change it to lowercase. So you'll see that this same menu object can be used in many different ways, as a context menu for any visual object, or as a system tray menu if you're running on Windows, or as a dock menu if you're running on Mac OS X.